Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have just watched another video and saw me almost in the exact same outfit, it is because I just recorded 2 other videos. So I am batch filming today, and this video and the next will be a Thrifty Apparel Box unboxing from GoodwillBluebox.com. I would tell you that the boxes drop at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time at GoodwillBluebox.com, but that is not necessarily the case. There are some boxes that I have been trying to get at that particular time, and that is the denim and the shoe boxes. Unfortunately, I have not been able to get either. And whenever I try to go in to get a Thrifty Apparel box, it is not available at that time, but I will go in later on that night or even the middle of the week, and they will have random Thrifty Apparel boxes available. So the boxes that I've been getting recently have been from just the middle of the week. So I haven't been like rushing over on Fridays at 6 o'clock trying to get a box. I'd really like to get my hands on the shoebox, but if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen because I really don't need the inventory. But I love a good unboxing. So this is the Thrifty Apparel Box. It is 10 pieces. It costs $14.99 plus $5 shipping and tax, which comes out to $21.38. So if I do have the 10 pieces, it will come out to $2.13 a piece. Usually I do have more than the 10, so hopefully they keep that up and bring my cost of goods down. Anyway, I did a what box is better video. If you want to go check it out, it compared the apparel box and the Thrifty Apparel Box. The apparel box is $30, so it's like double the price. And honestly, the Thrifty Apparel, the stuff that I've been getting in that has the value of it is way better than the apparel box. So I'd much rather spend the $21.38 and get what I get than spend almost $35 on something that I'm not even getting close to the value of what I am compared to the Thrifty Apparel boxes. So I choose Thrifty Apparel. I will not ever get the apparel box for any reason. Alright, so first, whatever is on top is super shiny. It has, I don't know, this looks like maybe a reseller straight up donated from their inventory, and that was their SKU.
I don't know. Looks interesting. Let's open it, shall we? Feels very delicate. Got these little thingies on it.
Oh, it's a dress. Probably has no tags. It's probably from China. Oh, there's a tag. Intimo, size medium. I don't know. Intimo. Oh, so it's probably intimate. It's probably, ooh, it's one of those. It's lingerie, I'm assuming. So this would be great for Valentine's Day. Any day, really. That'll be interesting. Oh, this one feels velvety. You guys. It is stuff like this that I get in these boxes that makes me want to just continue to get these boxes. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is my very first Johnny Was. It's a size medium. It's not the typical embroidered, but it's velvety. Long sleeve. Oh my god. God, I hope this is real. 82% rayon, 18% silk. It has a style name here. I'll have to look it up. But oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Johnny Was. Oh, I wish this was a large. I think it would be too small on me. I wouldn't keep this. This is money. I don't know what I'm thinking. Oh, I'm excited. All right, so this is Lonnie's size medium. This is okay. This is a paisley print. This feels polyester-y because it's like super stretchy, but it's got, what is that, batwing, dolman, I don't know, kind of sleeve. Looks oversized, and it is skinny or tighter at the hem. Huh, I don't know. It's cute. I don't know if that's still in style. Ooh, 100% lamb's wool. Nice. This is Daniel Kermere. I don't know what that is. It's a green sweater. Let's see, let me open it and see if I see any holes. I always look on the inside. Don't see any holes there. I don't see any holes in this. Oh my gosh, you guys. Johnny Was and 100% lamb's wool. What is happening? All right, we got something black, which I'm not thrilled about. It's Fashion Nova. And it's little. See you. All right, so, oh, it's a jumpsuit. Okay. It's a little risque. Shows a little bit of skin. Not something I would wear. I don't think it has a size tag because I think it's been cut out. Unless they put this, oh, it's a 2X. Yeah, totally listing this. So, that's kind of exciting. Alright, got a blazer. Danilo. I don't know what that is. It's got some light shoulder pads in it. So this may be vintage. Never heard of this brand. I'll have to look it up. Size 12. I don't know. That might be a ThredUp thing. Oh man. All sorts of excited in here. Under Armour loose. This isn't bad. I like selling these. I've been selling a lot of these on Facebook for like $10 to $15. And they have waived the fee for stores, Facebook stores, or pages that sell. So if I sell it for $10, I'm getting $10. So it's nice. It's been nice. Manly for Bloomingdale's. Made in England, all wool, size medium. Manly, like Leigh. It is a vest. All wool. Okay. All right, Goodwill. All right. Maybe you should get, maybe this is just Shein. I'll probably either take this to Plato's Closet or sell it on Facebook. I won't list that because no one will. Because I don't want to. This is interesting. I'm guessing this is off shoulder. Oh, here's a tag. Okay, Shein Curve 4XL. Wow. I'll probably just sell this on Facebook. You gotta be all picky with measurements and stuff when it comes to like Poshmark and eBay, and on Facebook I don't. Like, you get what you get. RQT Petite. These are white, like capri pants. Probably either Facebook or I'll probably send those to ThredUp, actually. Oh, this is soft. And Jones, New York, size large. Let's see, are you anything special? Nope. 80% polyester, 17% viscose, 3% elastane. But it is a lightweight, black and white, heathered turtleneck shirt. So I am definitely not upset with this box. So I'm going to count and see how many items we have. So there are a total of 11 pieces, and I am not upset about this at all, guys. This Johnny Was piece, man. I hope that's real. Okay, anyway, there's some pretty good items in this box. I'm super happy. Now, not all of them are like this, and you definitely don't always get Johnny Was, because I've gotten several of these boxes, and this is the first time I've gotten Johnny Was. I am very happy. Tell me what you think. What is your favorite item from this box? If you have not gotten this and you are curious about getting a mystery box that kind of has some low cost of goods, I would suggest a Goodwill Blue box. It can be really, really, really lucrative. I do have another one coming up, so if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Consider subscribing on your way out. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next one.